Ever questioned if you have the power to manifest anything you want? Imagine the possibility of shaping your reality with deliberate intention. Today, we're diving into how you can prove the reality of manifesting and discover which techniques work best for you. This is one of the most frequent questions I get, and it's time to address it comprehensively. When I first learned about manifesting, it was through an immersive experience with books, teachers, and my own trials. The turning point came when I rigorously tested each technique, hundreds of thousands of times. This relentless experimentation led to consistent and predictable results. Why hope when you can know? One of the worst feelings in manifesting is relying on hope instead of certainty. Initially, many people find the idea of manifesting absurd, coming from a regular human perspective. However, the real shift happens when you experience the effectiveness of a technique firsthand. This brings us to a common fallacy, thinking that just because something worked once, it's the ultimate truth. After nearly a decade of being misled by well-meaning but inaccurate manifestation teachings, I began conducting my own experiments. These expanded my abilities and led to incredible experiences. My process involves meticulous analysis, drawing from my background in engineering, economics, and marketing. By identifying patterns and success stories, both my own and those shared by my subscribers, I found common denominators that consistently lead to manifesting success. Manifesting is real and can be laser-focused and predictable. My goal is to teach you how to manifest in a way that eventually makes you self-sufficient. Through systematic testing, which I'll guide you through, you can achieve mastery over manifesting in a short time. There are no limits to what you can create. The key to manifesting lies in impressing your subconscious mind. If you can hold an image in your mind as if it were true, with all the clarity and emotional resonance, it will manifest in your reality. This is an objective truth I've observed repeatedly. The challenge is to find the best way to impress your subconscious mind. The term, impressing the subconscious, might sound ambiguous, but through years of testing, I've learned that it requires being in a relaxed, focused state where you can clearly envision your desire. This is known as an imaginal act, which can involve visualization, words, feelings, or even writing. The essential point is clarity and vividness. Once you impress your subconscious mind, a natural bridge of incidents will unfold. This means that the necessary thoughts, feelings, actions, and events will occur to bring your manifestation into reality. For example, if you want to receive $1,000 from an unexpected source, the circumstances and people involved will be naturally guided to fulfill this desire. Let's put these principles to the test with a simple yet powerful exercise called the list method. Every day, write down 10 things you desire from the perspective of already having them. For instance, I received $1,000 from an unexpected source, or I was offered land, a house, and a car for a fraction of their cost. Do this consistently for at least 7 days, ideally 14. After the period, reflect on your list. You'll find that many of the items have manifested. This exercise helps you gather concrete evidence of manifesting and builds your confidence in your ability to create your reality. The key to mastering manifesting is to systematically test and refine your techniques. Use clear and vivid imaginal acts to impress your subconscious mind. Trust that the necessary circumstances will unfold naturally to bring your desires into reality. By following these steps, you'll gain mastery over manifesting and no longer need external validation. Your experience will become your ultimate truth. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you're ready to delve deeper into reality creation, check out our membership, free reality creation course, blog, and other resources with the links below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.